Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming the essentials. Your Windows PC must permit remote desktop, and you need the PC name or static IP plus a valid user account. Once done, install the official remote desktop app on your phone. Make sure to use a trusted network and enable network-level authentication on the PC for security. Next, open the app and tap Add or New Connection. Enter the PC name, your username, and save credentials securely so you can move to the connection steps. You now configure the connection details in the app, paste the hostname or IP, and confirm the username. If your PC is behind a gateway, add the RD gateway settings. Then tune session options, reduce resolution, and disable background effects to improve responsiveness over mobile networks. Make sure clipboard sync and file transfer are enabled if you need them. Once configured, hit Connect, accept the certificate prompt if it matches, and practice basic touch gestures to control the remote desktop efficiently. You finish by establishing the session and verifying control. Check audio routing, clipboard, and whether touch maps correctly to mouse clicks. Make sure your phone won't sleep mid-session and that orientation is locked for stable input. If the connection fails, first verify the PC firewall allows RDP and that port 3389 or your custom port is open. Confirm credentials and that the IP or hostname resolves. As a single tip, try a local hotspot or ping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.